What's going on, guys? It is, well, I don't think it's 21 April in America right now, but actually, no, yeah, it probably is. It's Tuesday, 21st of April. Alright, I'm in India right now for a wedding, but as you know, the grind never stops. You have to keep trading. And today, I banked $576, $573 on my eval account. And yes, guys, I blew another eval. Not in the right headspace, but I'm on a new one. I traded yesterday at the airport, lost 240, and now I'm back today with 576 with a banger AMD trade. Well, not exactly AMD, but pivot model, Kavi model, whatever you want to call it. But yes, let's just get into this recap, right? So coming to the day, I had no prior like analysis, right? So I didn't know what the heck the market was doing. But in all honesty, when I opened the charts, I was like, we're definitely gonna go higher. The reason why I'm saying that is, if you look here, we have this high volume node, right? That means a lot of smart money and slash big money is positioned here. And when you have a PD array that's semi aligned with that, right? We know it's gonna hold. We know it's gonna work, right? So here we just have this whole cluster of things, and now you might not be able to like recognize what the PD array is that we're looking to respect is. We're actually looking to respect this 1 minute rejection block. Alright, we're looking to respect this 1 minute rejection block. Alright, and we're looking for displacement. Additionally, AMT, right? We have 70% of traded volume. We get a breakout, right? We go into price discovery. So now what do we need to do? We need to rebalance and go back to a price. Well, we need to go back to fair value, right? Because when we're at price discovery, no one has an agreed upon price. So yeah, that also added on to my long bias. And for my entry trigger, alright, we have this really nice 5 minute manipulation, like this high to wick low, so this low, right? So now we have our standard deviation anchored down, right? -2. You can see on the 5 minute, we're clearly respecting the -2 zone. We form a SMT, no matter if it's bullish or bearish, right? No matter what it is, it's an SMT, right? That plays into our entry. Additionally, I'm looking for this to form a good old 930 Judah swing. Alright, that would be excellent. But the issue is, I'm not trading the Judah swing. I'm trading and hoping it forms a Judah swing. Alright, and I'll scale into the hourly, and I'll show you guys also why I took longs. Is it the hourly or the... my bad, I meant 4 hour. Alright, we have this 4 hour order block, right? You can see we not close, but we tap into it. Alright, this just adds onto our PD array, right? Our standard deviation aligns with CE of it, not exactly CE, but you get what I mean. It aligns with it, more importantly. Alright, we're trading at all-time highs. Okay, we need to expect a pullback with the current news that Hormuz is closed. Alright, so you can't be in a big long bias. The issue I had yesterday was, hey, like, I kept on trying to long when the news just wasn't supporting it. The concepts was, but the actual news wasn't. So today I'm just trying to align it with the news and the PO3, because I can see today that it's already dumped. The news has done its job. I'm looking for it to reverse and head to the upside. Now, I just ran a regular 20-point stop, which in hindsight was massive, but it was alright, you know? It wasn't like the worst. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I entered here. Not 20 cons, I entered with 4, right? So, entered with 4 cons. Alright, I actually entered on this candle, but whatever. I stop at this low. I'm risking like 158, but the risk to reward's pretty decent. Huh, wait, no, I didn't get filled percent 40. What the heck? Did I run 4 cons actually? Wait. Alright, wait, yeah. I definitely entered on this candle. Okay. Maybe 3 cons actually. I don't exactly remember. I can pull up the execution labels like later. But my TP was 560? Yeah. Okay. This seems quite right actually. I might have got like an earlier entry. But I know I did run 20-point stop and it was above like 2 hour, so it's like decent. So I'll just play this out. And by the way, this was during a wedding. So I was just like sitting there just like looking at my phone, bruh. But well worth it, you know. We just instantly shoot up and ride straight to TP. And it's here where we form a really good 10 a.m. AMD to go lower, right? We set the high of the range. We not exactly tap, but we definitely if 10 a.m. open was an IFEG and we inversed it, that would be a very good short. But if you go on the 1 minute, and this is what you actually could have done, right? I think we have 10 a.m. open here. Oh, my TP hit at 10 a.m. open. Okay, but basically, you have your 10 a.m. open, right? And as you can see, price trades lower first, right? We trade lower and then we just go higher, right? That's called your 10 a.m. PO3, right? That's what we want to happen. Alright, so basically we come lower, we manipulate under the 10 a.m. key open, and when we get a decent pullback slash inversion or extra confirmation, that's a really good sign to go long. You know what? I don't know if this is super valid or not, but I'm just going to draw the fib, right? See if we even get OTE of the range. And as you can see, we do get OTE, right? This is our OTE, 0.62 to 0.79. We get perfect OTE, alright? OTE to go higher. But the only issue is, actually no, there's no issues, but what am I even on about? You could just taken it to this high, right? You could just taken it here, and honestly speaking, but it depends, honestly. Your entry could be like a little like jagged. Not like jagged, but I guess you can place that like this order block going for this high. You would have gotten an easy 4.9 R trade. But like if you wanted to enter just straight up the wick, that would be 13. But typically if your stop was like 10 points, that would be 4.6 R. But anyways, enough about that. Walked away with 570-ish today, right? Great. I'm out of drawdown. I'm in a good state. The only thing I need to worry about now is just keeping my mental up. Alright. You can see the execution labels like right now. We have a four contracts. Alright. So that means my TP must have been like maybe like here? I don't know actually. I swear my TP was just strip random BS, bruh. But whatever. I still walked away positive today. It doesn't really matter. Don't want to get into specifics. Was at a wedding, had a great time. Tired as balls, but I'm still making a video. Yeah. Wait, let me check timestamp. Damn, 9 minutes, bro. My videos are getting longer by like the thing. It's just a trade recap. But yeah, a lot of people was hesitant to take this long. Honestly, I was too. I was a bit like shaken up from yesterday. I will make a separate video on yesterday's loss. I did take 2 L's each, amounting. I think one was 150 and then the other was like a $90 loss. I don't exactly remember. But yesterday I netted negative 240, which was really bad. But yeah, it took so long. I don't know why I took it. I was at the airport. I was so bored, and like literally, um, whatchamacallit, uh, yeah, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. I'm just so tired and jet lagged. But I was just bored, right? And I wasn't thinking straight. I traded London aftermarket, not even London, right? I entered right as London ended, and I wasn't even thinking about it. And second of all, I was trading against news. You know how like dumb that is? Well, like it was London, so there's no context. And for volume profile, it was still changing. So I don't know. Yeah. This is this is what I took yesterday. So stupid. I don't know why I did this. But honestly, if my stop was originally above this rejection block, and then I trailed because I got scared because I took another loss. I entered like here-ish. You know. Yes. Yes. Okay. I took a short like here, right? I stopped like here, yada yada yada. Targeting this fat low. 78 points. But it just chopped around for a straight hour, right? Chopped around for a straight hour and then it took me out. Like god damn. I was just really wrong about the buys yesterday. It ended up playing out, but we filled up the new week opening gap. I just need to rethink if I want to trade like London or New York, but I have a major like time constraint on me. I got like school and parents won't let me stay up like past like 10:30 ish. But I'll do what I can if I can. Oh yeah, sorry. If I can find setups like the one today every single day, I'm good. Like look at timestamp. I entered at okay, this is 7:15, but 7:15 Mumbai time. So that's 2 hours 50 behind Singapore. So you just take that, add 2 hours 50, and then you flip it from AM to PM to get to your New York time. But if I do remember correctly, this is like 9:45. Yeah, this is in and around 9:45. I know open is at 7 p.m. here. So this would be 7:45. Entered at 7:45. Exited at 10. Just 50 minutes to make 576. That's all it takes. You know? Oh god, I'm so tired. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm probably gonna end the video here. Hopefully this upload will get views. My last two genuinely bombed, okay? No views whatsoever. It was terrible. Um but yeah, wish me luck for tomorrow. I'll make a psych video on this putrid stain on my P&L calendar. Alright boys, I'm out. Bye bye.